Hey everyone, and welcome back to Success Zone. Making money doesn't always have to be difficult. You can always earn something even by doing short tasks, which pay well. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to earn $100 in free PayPal money. Make sure you stay until the end, as you won't want to miss a great way to earn money simply and at home. Number 5. Make a PayPal account. When you earn money in cash, you have to have a real wallet to keep the money. Likewise, when you earn money online, there's a virtual or online wallet, and PayPal is considered the most secure one out there. You need to have a PayPal account, register for one, and then start sending and receiving money online from other PayPal accounts. You can also associate your bank account with your PayPal one. That way, you can easily withdraw money and then add it to your bank account, after which you can then withdraw it from an ATM if you want them to give it you in cash. Search Google for PayPal and click on the PayPal website, www.paypal.com, and click on the sign up button if you're new and select personal account when asked to choose between a personal or business one. And then enter a valid email and a strong password and keep it somewhere accessible only to you. Hit the enter button and you're all set. You can also download the mobile app, which has tons of features found on the website, and it's easy to earn on the website and earn on the go. Number 4. Go to Validately. You can earn money for doing short tasks by choosing Validately. The payouts are known for a 5-minute task. You will earn $25. For a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And for a 30-minute task, you will earn $300. Isn't that great? Pay close attention to these instructions, because with it, you'll be earning a lot of free money in a short amount of time. Some of you may have heard of the site Validately before, but here is a new method to earning money with it. You can use this site on either your phone or your computer. This is a really legit company because if you scroll down on their site onto the front page, you can find some of their customers, which include Google, Amazon, Allstate, amongst others. When you first go to the website, you are going to want to hover your mouse over the tab on the top of the page that says Get Paid to Test. Click on that and it will take you to a page that very clearly states, Test websites, make money. It's that simple. Yes, and it truly is that simple. This is going to be a lot easier than you might think. To start, go on the green button that says Start Making Money. Once you click on that button, it will take you to another page that allows you to register as a tester and start earning money. Click on the Create Account button, and then it will take you to a form that you're going to need to fill out. Number 3. Fill out the form. To be accepted as a website tester, you usually need to fill in a form which has 16 questions. Let's take a look at what you can expect to be on that form. Question 1 starts off with a simple enough question. It asks you what kind of mobile device you own. Answer all these questions honestly. If you own multiple devices, select all the ones that apply. Question 2 asks what kind of computer do you own? Select all that apply, because you may have a Mac or a Windows or even maybe a Linux PC. Then click Next. Question 3 will ask you what version of the operating system you use. If you chose Windows previously, it will ask you to choose which version of Windows you're using, such as Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Select one of these and then click on Next. Then it will ask you about your gender. You can select either male or female. Question 5 asks what year were you born? For this answer, you're going to have to type it in. So type in your answer and click Next. Question number 6 will be an important one. It asks you what your level of education is. It is best to select college graduate because that means you can earn higher pay. Select it and then click Next. The next question will ask for your employment status. Choose either self-employed, part-time or full-time and then click Next. Question 8 asks you what kind of industry are you working in. Click on the blank space and there will be a long list of options. You can also select display additional results to find more options. Here is a quick tip. If you choose information technology or anything else revolving around IT or technical jobs, you're going to be earning a lot more money through this site, so consider choosing one of those options. Now click Next. And here is question number 9. It will ask you for a job title. Type in marketing and select Search Marketing Strategist. Then click on Next. Now question 10 will ask you for your annual household income. It's important to select an answer somewhere in between. Select one from $25,000 a year to $125 a year. Click Next. Now it will ask you for your full name. Simple, just input your full name into the answer bar. Click Next. Question 12 will ask you for your email. It is important to enter a valid email and then click Next. Now another important question. They will ask for your PayPal email. If you've got a PayPal, enter your email for that. This is important because this is how they will send you money after you complete these short jobs. Enter your PayPal email into the answer bar and then click Next. Question 14 is super simple. It asks you for a password. Choose one that you're going to remember and then click Next. Question 15 will ask you to pay close attention to the instruction. This question will ask you what time zone you live in. When you click Detect My Location, you will want to choose Provide Time Zone manually. Click on that and then select which time zone you live in. Just select a country and then click on that. Then finally select a state. After answering the 3 columns, click Next. Now the final question, number 16. You're going to be agreeing to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is the easiest one. Just click Yes and agree. Obviously, you've got no other option. And then, when you're done with that, click Sign Up. And that's it for the form. Number 2. Take the test. A screener test is needed before you can have actual tests and get paid for them. So once you finish the form, you're going to be taken to a page with a 1-minute screener test. For this, you must be using Google Chrome. You can download that browser for free, and once you have it, check your email inbox and find the email from Validately. This is your confirmation email. Click on the email to confirm your account, then the screener test will begin. Go to the bottom of the page and select the button that says Take the Screener Test Now, and that will lead you to another page. On that page, you can see that the website is recruiting people to test websites. The screener test can be done either with your computer or with your phone. Now go to the bottom of the page and select I will test websites for money. They will then give you a test tutorial. You can click on the green circle to look at your tasks. You can also watch tutorial videos for this too. Click Next. The green circle will appear in the corner of the page. You can move this around. That is where your job will appear. Now click on OK, I'm ready to begin this test. Now to begin, you need to install the Validately extension on Google Chrome. Click on the install button on the page and it will lead you to the Chrome Web Store. It will open the Validately unmoderated testing extension. As you can see, tens of thousands of users are already using this extension. Now click Add to Chrome and this will add the extension to your browser. Now you can use this software to test websites from your phone or computer. Number 1. Go to Amazon website to test the website. One test task from Validately is testing the Amazon website. You can choose the Validately unmoderated testing extension added to your Google Chrome. Detailed instructions will be provided to you, which are very simple. First, you need to visit the Amazon website. They will provide you with a link for the website. Now click on the link, and once you do that, you're going to be led to the website where they ask you to test it out. For this example, you'll be led to the Amazon homepage. That was the first step to this. Now they ask you to take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. You will need to take a screenshot because this provides Validately with proof that you visited the website. If you're using your phone, just take a normal screenshot. If you're using your computer, then use print screen or a snipping tool to screenshot the main page from the link they sent you. Save that image as proof that you visited the site. That is the end of step number 2. See, it's that simple. Now, on to step 3, they want you to locate today's deals on the Amazon website and take a screenshot of that. To do this, go to the Amazon website and locate it. They want you to do this because they want to know if it's easy to find the daily deals. Certain websites make it difficult for users to locate certain sections, so this is a way to audit the process of finding it. On Amazon, it is easy to find on the top of the page. Now click on the Today's Deals and then take a screenshot of that. Next step is to search for Scott Standard bath tissue and take a screenshot. You can copy and paste what you need to into the search bar so that it will be easier, and then search it. Once you find it, select it and take a screenshot, and that's it. That's all the steps needed for this example task. It didn't take much time and you are going to get paid a decent amount of money for it. Most of the jobs will be like this, so you can easily do a lot of them and get hundreds of dollars a day. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!